Okay, so this morning we're shooting Kyra. She is a food blogger. We're thinking of doing personal branding pics with a burger, just for a bit of fun. I think we'll do some other stuff as well, but I do think we should defo like play around with food for that. So what I'm thinking in terms of lighting is strobe, just a reflector, almost as if it's like an on-camera flash, super direct, harsh light. So I'm gonna set that up and then test it when she gets here because I don't have an assistant today, so there's no one to test it with. I'm just gonna move this plant out. Let's plug you in. Don't look at my cable management today, it's a mess. Right. Direct flash. Literally like that's all that needs to be set up. I don't know how tall she is, so I'm just gonna put it up a little bit so it goes like above me, and then I can direct it and turn it on. Give myself a little bit of a prop light. We keep the Godox X2T in the studio and it's already synced to the flashes, the Godox flashes, so all you have to do is pop it on the top of your camera and you're away. Okay, so 1/125. ISO down because we're using a harsh little flash. I need something in there to test it. This is probably going to be terrible. It's a 16 maybe. I feel like that's going to look really good. Just needs to be like super direct on her face, so I can't really do that until she's here. So when she gets here, I'll hook it up. So I would do some where you like, at the moment where it's like nice and neat, doing it towards the camera. Yeah. Like holding it out in front of you, a little bit cheeky.
Oh, I think I've linked them.
Okay, so number one tip, always keep your chin down. You seem to be quite good at it, but that's...
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. A lot of girls will go, because we're trying to hide our double chins. Yeah. But actually when you go down, the shadow contours...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense. I would usually,
Yeah, you usually like tip your head and stuff like that. And I guess it's how do you want to be seen online? Do you want to be seen as like strong and powerful, or do you want to be seen as a little bit softer?
Like soft and fun.
Okay, so give like little head tilts and things like that, rather than being like dead center. Okay, So for like business women, I'm always like, give me like dead straight, keep your head straight. For a little bit softer, you can do like the head tilts and things like that. Chin down just a touch for me, and give me a little smirk. Nice. Let me show you. I'm going to show you as we go along. So far.
That's so cute. Oh my god, I love that.
One where it's like towards the camera.
Yeah.
So it's like more about you and you're like, here's my food. But then some of like this thing of like you actually eating it.
I think that's my fave,
It's so, and then I think...
Oh, thank you so much for this. This helped with Insta. I was like, oh,
no, you're fine. And you're like, whoa, what do I do? I mean, we can try like licking it if you want to.
Yeah,
and then maybe some like slightly further away from your face so that you can see your mouth. So as if you're like fake about to bite into it kind of thing. Nice.
Mouth open.
I would do like, like an open smile kind of thing. Yay. Everyone has a favourite sound. I don't know if your boyfriend's gonna like these. She was like, just be careful. There we go, that's high enough.
I like this piece as well.
Yeah, it's cute. I use this for Savannah's shoot actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I've not tried it with this lighting, but we shall see. Yeah, I would sit just because it makes you a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, because hostel, that'd be so awkward.
Yeah, a lot of people when they've never done a shoot stand there, and they're like, what do I do with my hands?
Yeah.
Like, where do my hands go? What do they do? You have to like, there's a lot more guidance. Let me just test the light quickly and see how we're looking. Oh, okay, cute. I'm just gonna change my white balance. My friend Prido was like, you actually know how to take pictures of black skin? And I was like, if you don't, I don't feel like you can call yourself a photographer.
No, because I thought I was going through your page, I was like, this will be fine.
I was like, I have seen some photographers work, and I've actually seen like black photographers work. When they shoot black people, I'm like, your colouring doesn't look right here, and you've made your model look sick. And I was like, so, like, as a black person, do better.
Yeah.
And I was like, you can't be a white person that only shoots white people. I was like, because that's giving Union Jack flag outside your house.
Girl, don't get me started.
I'm gonna... Nice. Really cute. I'm just gonna... There we go. Hold it more towards the camera for me. Like right out. Yeah. Nice.
Do I smile or look away?
You can do whatever. It's really cute when you're like with this and it's like that. I would like look to the side. Yeah. Nice.
I love that! Oh my god!
See? And so that's what I'm saying. Like little smacks and smizes and like. Like little cute looks and things, just make it look so much cuter. And even like that one.
Yeah.
Like the little in-between bits between when you're like posing and thinking about it are coming out best.
Oh really?
Yeah. So it's like the little moment where you're just being you.
Yeah.
There we go. That's it. Nice. Hold it more towards me. So you're slightly out of focus, and then we've got, so you can do a really cheeky little face here. Heels as well.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do...
I don't back too much. Or...
No, you're fine.
Yeah.
And you can twist your body and put your arm over the edge of it as well.
I think this is,
Yeah, get yourself comfortable.
Oh yeah.
As well. Nice. Yeah, there we go. I love it when people do reactions like that. That's so cute. Yeah.
Oh my god. I love all of these.
Yeah, there's gonna be so many. I would like fully get into it. So like put your head all the way back. I know I said don't do that, but I would do it for this. I would put your head all the way back. Yeah. And, okay, so if you lean down to like towards the camera, so this is like, I'm actually gonna have to come much closer. This is a wide angle lens, so it's gonna distort it a little bit. So like fully bend down into the camera, nice. Do it more from the hip, so like bend yourself forward. Yeah, there you go. Nice. I'll show you so that you can see what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
It's like, so you've got the full blown, like the cameras.
Yeah.
I know the burger's not great, but we'll make the burger look better.
Yeah.
And then I would do some where you're like power stance maybe with your burger.
How do I have it like?
Maybe flat.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that shadow coming from? Is that me? I'm in my own shot. 18, there we go. Nice. So give me a slight bend in this knee. That one, yeah, there you go. your photographer moves around a lot. It's a good sign. Oh, that's a nice angle, but I need this. Nice. Fix my camera. That smells like burning, that's not good.
Sorry, I wasn't thinking about my face.
No, you're fine. I was just checking the light anyway. You're good. This is nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
I love these.
really cute.
Yeah, I really do like these ones.
Amazing. How do you want to, do you want me to send you the pictures and you pick your faves? Or, like, you can literally like go through and like screenshot, or are you happy for me to just go to town and edit the ones that I think are best? It doesn't matter to me either way.
Could I choose?
Choose? Yeah, of course.
Yeah.